Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this video we are going to have an introduction on binary index trees. Now again, binary index trees are very similar to our segment trees, but in segment tree you remember we used to have that segment tree when we have more operation on either in a range query or updating a value, update query basically. For binary index tree we use where we have more operations on either prefix operations. There are some types of prefix operations are there, or updating a value. So when you have more frequent these type of operations, that is when you go for binary index trees. Okay, it is again, binary index trees are also used for fixed size arrays just like segment trees, and this is also known as Fenwick tree. So when I was reading about it, I came to know somewhere on the internet, people are talking about Fenwick tree and all, but I did not know that binary index tree itself is a Fenwick tree. Now we know it used to solve these type of operations. Now if binary index tree and segment tree, those two are similar, right? Then what is the difference? Now let's understand that. So they can have more than two children as well, unlike segment tree where they can have only two. So binary index trees can have more than two children, okay? Can have more than two child, but in segment tree that was not the possibility. In segment tree you can have only two childs, okay, because it was part of binary tree only. That's why this is binary index tree. For the last point, binary index tree takes less time as compared to segment trees and also less space, and it's easier to implement as compared to segment trees as well. So there is a difference for binary index trees. Again, it is not asked that much frequent in interviews. And if you want to understand in depth about its algorithm of different operations, then that will take in a separate video which will have a problem statement, and you will understand where exactly you are going to use it. But that's for some other video. For this video, let's keep it limited to the introduction. See you in the next one.